Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have iPad Air 11 and I want to show you how to manage your passwords on this device. Firstly, open Settings application where we look for our password selection. In it we must enter look screen to get connected to that, and there we can manage our Google passwords with our device. Remember, maybe to our Facebook account, we can click there. And now we can copy our username, copy our passwords, or after we press on it, it shows us password which remember. We can also edit all by tap there, tap there, by edit and tap there, and we can write something new what you need. And the same story with passwords, we can add note to that, and after you change some, we click done to save it. We can also set up verification code and change passwords on website what you need, and there we have for which website it is. We can delete all by delete password and confirm by delete, and we don't have it right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.